Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the powerful yet overlooked features, Microsoft Excel. Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of endless rows and columns in Excel and don't know how to read it or what to interpret out of it? Then recommend pivot tables under Insert tab is your journey. On the right hand side under pivot table fields, you can select and deselect the fields to get different information about the data you have on the main Excel sheet. This is a very interesting and easy way to get information out of large sets of data. And that's all folks. I hope you liked the video. In case you want to check out my other two videos about Excel hacks, the link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Hasta la vista.